Hi, let us download the VirtualBox and install the VirtualBox. So that's the thing you're going to see in this video. Simply open the Google and say like VirtualBox download. You will land up this in this page. You can read it here. It's VirtualBox download. So here it says Oracle VirtualBox. That means this is the product of Oracle. Simply click on downloads. So today the latest version is 7.1 or you can say 7.1.12. So yeah, as mine is Windows host, I am installing Windows host. So just click on this and this will be downloaded. Your setup file will be downloaded, or exe file, whatever you call it. So this is just a matter of 119 MB. So it should not take more than 1 minute based on your internet speed again. Yeah, once this is downloaded, simply go to your downloads manually, or you can even redirect from here. Yeah. So simply double click this one for installation. So then click on yes. So your installation wizard will start like this. So yeah, just click with yes and accept the terms and license. Next, and yeah, this is the C drive. It's installing in C drive. Just go with that. Next. So it's asking with can I proceed with the installation now? Yes. Proceed with the installation. Yes. So do you want to create this entries in menu and short? I mean these things. You can go with the default option. That doesn't make big sense. Next. So yeah, install. So this is installing your VirtualBox. So this takes 2 minutes of time. So let me break it here and resume there. Okay. Yeah. Now you can see that this is the window you are going to see once that process is completed. So it should not take more than 2 minutes, but I don't want to have this lag in the video. So yeah, you can simply click on finish. So once you click on finish, so this is the interface which you are going to see. As we are going to use this almost daily, I'm pinning this to the taskbar. Okay. So see, sometimes there might be a image file, operating system image file, server image file. So we may have to import that. This is the option. I mean, you can simply click on import and get that file placed here, and you can click on finish, which will import it. So if there is a server here, your list of servers will be shown here in this place. So if you want to export it, you can export it. If you want to create a new one, you can create new one. Like you can give something like server one and all. Yeah, these things you can do, and you have to fill the details and click here so that your virtual server will be created. So this is about your VirtualBox and this is about your installation. So we will see the next things in next video.